Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start maths class. So where we have stopped, we have discussed what is meant by line segment and what is meant by a ray. So open your textbooks, page number 74. So shall we start my practice time too? Already we have discussed what is meant by line, what is meant by a line segment, what is meant by a ray, how we should denote the line segment, ray. We have seen those. So now let us start my practice time too. Shall we answer the questions now? So, first one, state whether the following statements are true or false. First bit, a line can be extended in both the directions. Yes, a line can be extended in both directions. It is true. So, see this line, children. This line represents a ray. No. So, a ray is a part of a line and it can be extended endlessly in one direction. So, this representation does not represents a ray, so it is false. Next, a ray has only one end point. Yes, now only we have discussed. True. Identify, second section, identify and name the following. So see this picture and write whether it is a line, whether it is a line segment, whether it is a ray. So see here children, so it can be, this line indicates that it can be extended in both directions. It can be extended on both directions, that too indefinitely. That means no end will be there for this line. So it is called as a line. It is called as a line. It has no end and extends endlessly in both directions. Next, see here we are seeing point P. That means it represents a point. It represents a point, exact position. Next, see here only one arrow mark is there and it denotes ray. A ray is a part of a line and it can be extended endlessly in one direction. So it has only how many endpoints? Only one endpoint. So that denotes the ray. That denotes a ray. Next you are seeing, are you seeing this one? So this indicates, this picture indicates a portion of line with two ends. It is called a line segment. This representation indicates line segment. So write down in the textbook itself, children, my practice time too. Next, shall we start? Next topic. Today's concept is what is meant by a straight line. What is meant by a straight line? And the name itself is that straight. Straight means a line that does not have a bend. That does not have a bend. So straight line can be horizontal, vertical, oblique. That means like diagonal wise. So a sleeping line is also a horizontal line. A standing line we call it as a vertical line. This slant line is there. No, this is called oblique line. OBLIQUE, oblique line. So you know straight line means which does not have bend. But that straight line also can be horizontal, vertical, and slant line. So you know sleeping line, standing line. So sleeping line is called in mathematics the horizontal line. Standing line is called vertical line. So slant line is called oblique line. Okay, children. So this is about straight line. Next, we will see curved line. The name itself is there. Curved means in the curve manner. See how much curve it is. This is PQ curve. This is XY curve. So these are curved lines. Are you seeing pictures in textbook? Page number 75, children. A line which is not straight, that is called curved line. A line which is not straight is called curved line. Next, plane shapes. Plane shapes. So here plane figures are called as a two-dimensional shapes that is drawn on flat surfaces. So they will have length and breadth. Some examples of these plane shapes are, you know, triangle shapes, rectangle shapes, squares, and circles. Those they will have sides, corners, except for the circle, we don't have sides and corners. So let us see about these plane shapes. That is examples. First, they have given triangle. You know the triangle shape. Easily you will identify the triangle shape. So these are the sides. A triangle have how many sides? Three sides. And how many corners? 3 corners. Are you seeing, Nana? 3 corners, A, B, C. These are the corners. Sides A, B, A, C, B, C. We will call like that. That we will learn in next class. So line segments also. See here. A, B, A, C, B, C. These are called line segments. A line with 2 ends is called a line segment. We discuss. So with the help of 3 line segments, we can frame a triangle. We can frame a triangle. Next, coming to the rectangle. Are you seeing rectangle here? How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle have 4 sides and 4 corners. A, B, C, D corners. Are you seeing? These are the corners of rectangle. Next, coming to here, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. These are the sides of the rectangle. Are you seeing? A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. These are the sides of the rectangle. So what are the opposite sides? You are seeing this side is the opposite to this side. So opposite sides of the rectangle also always equal in length. That is AB is equal to CD. This side is opposite to this side, no. So AD equal to BC. This sides. So opposite sides of rectangle are equal in length. So this is about straight line, curved line, in plane shapes examples, triangle, rectangle. Next we will see square, children. Square means all 4 sides are equal. Are you seeing square? Square also how many sides? 4 sides. These are equal in length. These are equal in length. So it has how many corners? 4 corners. A, B, C, D. And what are these 4 sides? A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. These are the 4 sides of the square. You need to see the segments A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D or D, A. Okay. This is about square. So circle, it has no corners, no sides. Circle can be drawn round, no. So it has no side, no corner. So a circle has neither side nor a corner. But circle have what are the terms? See here. Let us see those terms. Radius, circumference, diameter. Are you seeing here this circle, children? A complete vertical line drawn in the mid of the circle. So the line which makes this boundary of the circle is called its circumference. This is called this total boundary of the line. This is called circumference. Line joining any 2 points on this circumference and passing through the center of this circle. No, this is called diameter of the circle. Are you seeing here? See here. This boundary of the line is called circumference, and a line which is drawn around on the circumference. So any 2 points on the circumference and it passes through the center. It passes through the center. See, this is the center of the circle and these 2 points are touching on the circumference. The line joining 2 points on the circumference and passing through the center, that is called diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. The line which makes boundary on the circle is called its circumference. And line joining the center to any point, from center on the circle to any point, if you draw a line which touches the circumference, it is called radius. See, from center, they have drawn one line here to the circumference of the circle. So that is nothing but radius. That is nothing but radius of the circle. Line joining center to any point. Joining the center to any point on the circumference is called radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. So this is about circle. What are the terms we are listening in circle? Radius, circumference, diameter. Are you clear now? So hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, please post the question to me so that I can clarify your doubts. Okay. Next, my practice time 3. Shall we start this one regarding what we have discussed about straight lines, curved lines, plane shapes? Okay. Write the number of sides and the number of corners for the given figures. Yes, this is which figure, Nana? Square. Square has how many sides? 4 sides, 4 corners. 4 corners. Next, are you observing this one? This is not a square. Small here it is there. This is called what? This is called, see, it is having how many sides? 5 sides, 5 corners. So that's why it is called pentagon. Okay. Later we will discuss this in next further academic year. Next, this you observe the sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 corners, 7 sides. You count the line segments from one end to another end. It is a line segment. So if you count that one, you will get the exact number of sides, number of corners. Here also see, this is one line segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sides, 12 corners. Here also you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sides, 10 corners. See this figure also. This is one line segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 sides, 8 corners. Like this, we need to count the sides and corners. Understood? Name the objects that closely resemble these shapes. Yes, by seeing this one, you can easily say that this is called as circle. This shape, this is called as triangle. This is called as rectangle. This is called as square. So write in the textbook itself, children. While I am explaining, so you should take pencil and eraser, and you should fill in the textbook while I am explaining itself, so that you will get a clear idea what we have discussed. Okay, children. Next, draw curved lines by joining the point shown here. So you can draw curved lines. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F. So this makes a curved line. See here. Are you seeing? This is called curve. We are getting a curve here. Next, shall we start filling the blanks? Okay. Are you clear up to here? Next, dash is the line joining the center to any point on the circumference of the circle. Dash is the line joining the center to any point on the circumference of a circle. This is called radius. Radius. Next bit. All 4 sides of the dash are equal in length. Square only. In square, 4 sides will be equal in length. Dash shapes have length and breadth only. So it will have plane shapes have length and breadth only. Are you seeing this? This is called which type of line? Curved line. CURVED. Curved line. So up to here we have finished, children. So this is about your first chapter. So start doing homework. This one, fill in the blanks and true or false statements and match the following. First you 3 you finish as a homework and post it to me after doing the homework. Okay, children. Thank you.